Welcome back guys to It's a Nerdy Thing, and today I'll be doing a book tag. So the book tag that I'll be doing is the Indian book tag, and it was originally created by Helly. She's a very good booktuber and I absolutely love her videos. I have linked her channel down in the description box below. Do check her out, she's amazing. Let's start guys. So for the first question of the tag, which is the first Indian book that you read? So the first Indian book that I have read was, I think it was during school when we have all read Ruskin Bond stories. Yeah, but the first Indian book that I have picked up myself, which I can recall of, is If It's Not Forever, It's Not Love by Durjoy Datta. So this is the first Indian author that I've ever bought, and I actually loved this story. I remember reading it and absolutely loving it at that point of time as a teenager. The story of this book revolves around Dev, who is the narrator of the story, who gets a book which is semi-burnt, I suppose, and this diary contains a love story, a one-sided love story of a dead man. Yes, and it's Dev's journey to try to give this diary to the girl for whom all these emotions were written. So it's very interesting. More than a love story, it's about, friendship and grouping and road trips, etc. So I enjoyed this story. You can try reading it. Like, nice book. So the second question for this tag is, who is your favorite female Indian author? Okay, here's the thing. I have read Arundhati Roy's book, God of Small Things, and I absolutely loved it. But I have not read The Ministry of Utmost Happiness, which is her second book, and neither have I read any of her essays. So technically I've just read one book by her, so I cannot call her my favorite author. So my favorite Indian female authors award goes to Sudha Murthy. Ta-da! Yes guys, I absolutely love her writing style. Whenever I'm in a reading slump, I will definitely pick her book up and I will fall in love with her reading once again. I love her books. I absolutely adore her as a person. I had the opportunity of meeting Sudha Murthy ma'am at the Kolkata Oxford bookstore, and it was amazing. My exams were going on at that point of time and I had to still fangirl about her. So let's go to the next question. So who is your favorite male Indian author? See, this has to be a tie. I want to instantly say Rabindranath Tagore or Ruskin Bond, but they are pretty famous. So I want to go with a more contemporary writer right now. So Rabindranath Tagore and Ruskin Bond is like, forever favorite, definitely. But I would like to choose a different answer for this one. So I would like to go with Amish Tripathi. I have read his series, the Naga trilogy, and I absolutely loved it. I was thrilled, and the books were amazing. I did not like the last book a lot, but the first and the second book, loved it. I'm waiting for him to complete the Rama trilogy. I think that is what you call it. And I'll start binge reading it once again. So yeah. Worst Indian author. Okay. This guy, I have not read any of his books, and for me, he has to be the worst Indian author. Ta-da! Chetan Bhagat. Yes, of course. I don't like Chetan Bhagat. Yes, I don't like Chetan Bhagat's writing. I have never read any. I have read reviews about his books, and that was enough to convince me that I should not waste my time reading his books. Like, I have watched Two States. It was a average typical Bollywood movie, and I have watched Half Girlfriend,
utter piece of trash,
and I did not even bother to watch Hello, that was based on One Night at Call Center, something like that. So no, I will never ever read his book. That was a lot of ranting about Chetan Bhagat. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 5. Favorite book in a regional language? I'll go with Hindi, and in Hindi I have read many short stories and poems, etc, etc. The complete novel, and the only novel actually, and I'm very ashamed of that, and I will definitely make sure to correct this mistake, that I have only read one novel ever in Hindi, and that is Nirmala by Munshi Premchand. I loved that book. That was amazing, very mature, and it was more of a coming of age kind of a novel. We follow Nirmala's life from before her wedding. It is a story about a poor girl named Nirmala, whose marriage is declined after her father dies, and she's married off to a man very elderly to her, and that man also has a few kids, and the eldest son of that man is the age of Nirmala. So it's very strange, and the story was very good. Excellent job done by Munshi Premchand ji. So highly recommend that book to you all. Do comment below which is your favorite regional language book. I would love to get some recommendations by you, and I would like to correct my mistake as soon as possible by reading some of the greatest books written in Hindi. So I would like to know your suggestions. Question number 6 is favorite Indian poet. For this question, I would hands down have to choose one author, like Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore is the best Indian poet ever. Come on, he has won the Nobel Prize, guys. One of my favorite poems written by Tagore is Where the Mind is Without Fear. Love it. Each and every line of that poem is a gem. Like, that poem is definitely a gem. Absolutely love it. So the next question, number 7, is latest Indian book that you have read. Okay, I'll have to check my Goodreads for that. This year I have read only one Indian author. I'm so sorry, guys. I need to read more Indian authors. So the latest Indian book that I have read this year was The Bird with Golden Wings by Sudha Murthy. This book is a collection of short stories. This is basically a children's book, and I am not ashamed of reading children's book. Not at all. They are amazing, hilarious. They have illustrations in them. Love them. So you can see the book has got a lot of illustrations. It contains few short stories. You can see magical and whimsical kind of short stories, and they are amazing. You should definitely give this book a try. Love this book. By the way, this book was gifted to me by my younger brother. He won a prize money, and he gifted to me the book, this book, by his money. That made me so proud of him. So the last question, that is question number 8, is Indian authors on your TBR pile. There are many, actually, like many. I'll pick 3 of them. In spite of having many of the Indian authors in my TBR pile, I'll select 3. First is Shadowlines by Amitabh Ghosh. I have been meaning to read Amitabh Ghosh's book. I had the pleasure of meeting Amitabh Ghosh before even meeting that author, but I was very thankful that I met him finally. But I have heard only good things about this book, and I really want to read this book. Second book that is by an Indian author that is on my TBR pile is Midnight's Children by Salman Rushdie. This book, like, just look at this fat, intimidating book. Like, this book can kill. So can this book, but yeah. I have been meaning to read this book for so long. Like, it has been sitting on my shelf for past a year now, and I really want to read this book. I got it in a book fair, and from that time I have been meaning to read this book. I'll get to it soon. I have to get to this one soon. So this book is a complete collection, complete and unabridged collection of Rabindranath Tagore's books, novels basically, and from this book I don't want to read the whole one. Eventually I will, but right now the novel that I really want to read from this book is A Grain of Sand, or Choker Bali. Yeah. I really want to read all the books. I have read Shipwreck, and I have absolutely loved that story so much. I need to get to this book. Yes. It will happen this year. Choker Bali will surely happen this year. Yes. Okay. Just let me go out of my reading slump. So that was the end of the book tag. I so enjoyed answering all the questions. Loved it. That's it for today's video, guys. I enjoyed making this video a lot. Do let me know down below in the comment section that which is your favorite Indian book, Indian regional language book that you absolutely enjoyed reading. If you like my video, do like and subscribe to my channel. Stay home, stay safe. Namaste.